Hi folks, welcome to another video on my channel. On this go around, we're going to go ahead and build this little 22R. See if we can get it going again. Looks like they did a nice job on this block. It's the head. It's been completely rebuilt as well. I think we might just start. We're going to start with clearances for the cam. I'm going to go ahead and install the cam and measure and see if we're good to go. Alright, so we got the clearance values right here. And looks like it's in the other range there. Alright, get our bearings out. Holes line up. The oil hole. We're not going to grease them because we want to measure clearances first. Okay. Okay. They should be. Let's see if we can get this in here. Okay. So in other words, the middle one. Three, four. Okay, so the mains go to 76 pounds. Okay. Okay. All right. 2, 3. We're within the acceptable range, so we're going to go ahead and install this crank and move on to gapping rings. All right, we're good. Nice and easy. Oh wait, I need to put the thrust bearings on. This in. Number 2, facing forward. All right, we're gonna rotate this and we're gonna measure gap. This not having a mark means it's perfectly square. She's gonna go in just like that. This is way bigger than what it's supposed to be. Oh, they sent me standard. Man. Yeah, no wonder. Alright, so we're gonna have to... The rings are useless. They're standard. And pack them back up. One. Just sell these. They're of no use to us. Let's check it out. Perfect. It's right where it needs to be. Such as is the case right here, look. Alright, so went a bit ahead of myself without the camera and got the timing chain and guides and all that. I don't know if I have that on camera. Timing cover's on, and this AC compressor bracket is on as well because its bolts go through the timing cover. Now we're gonna go ahead and put on the water pump with a new gasket in place. Slip the pump over the studs. Okay. Otherwise I'm gonna have to flatten the tires. Okay, I think we're clearing. Pull back a little bit. Yes. I know the of things. Woo! Okay, ready? Okay, so I've completed the engine rebuild on my 1986 with the 22R carbureted. Alright, so we got it started pretty well after it got gas coming into the car.